Hey everybody, welcome to Locksmith 954, located in Broward County, Florida. We specialize in providing same-day service for new car keys, chip key cutting, programming, and much more. Today we'll be showing you a basic tutorial for cutting a key for a 2010 Honda Civic. To start off, just put the key inside the key cutting machine. Make sure the key is at the third line. And now we're going to decode the key. So as you can see, the cutting machine is about to get the dimensions of the key. So once we put it in the test key, we can make sure it's cut perfectly. This can be a pretty quick process, but it depends on the key. Now that we have our key all decoded, we can take out the key and swap it out with a test key. We have to make sure the cut comes out right so that when we have the actual key, there are no problems and your customer will be happy. Now, the first cut is done. Make sure to dust off the residue using a brush to get it out of the way, and then we'll be ready for the next cut. Now, we're beginning our second cut. And it's done. As you can see, there's a ton of leftover residue on the key cutting machine. So be sure to always brush off as much as you can, and then we're going to vacuum the rest. Other than that, we have our keys all ready to go. The one on the right is the one we just finished cutting. I really hope this video was helpful. Thanks for tuning in. Please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more Locksmith videos, and leave a comment with any questions you might have or any video requests. Connect with us on Facebook and Instagram at Locksmith954. And with that being said, we'll see you next time. Have a great day.